Hi, Eric Gibaud, ericgibaud.com, and today I'm going to present you this. This is a video kit by Smallrig for smartphone. So let's speak about it. Let's start. So what did I get? I received this cage, universal cage, to fit accessories and the smartphone, obviously. I received a microphone kit and also a lamp, an LED lamp. Okay, so I'm going to speak about each pieces, what it offers, the quality, and give my opinion. Okay. When we speak about a cage, many people say cage for what? For people, for animals? What for? Now for cameras or for smartphone? Well, Smallrig is one of the most famous cage maker for smartphone and for cameras. So what is that for? Because some people say, why do I need that? Isn't it easier to go just with my smartphone? Yeah, but normally when you want to do a bit more serious video than just a simple video, you want to have sound, you need to have lighting, you need to have stability, accessories. So a cage like this lets you, like in my case, I've got a microphone, a lamp, but I also have some space here. I've got some, as you can see, cold shoe. I could put other accessory. I've got screw here also. So the thing is, I get the handle. Why handles? Because if it's wider, you are more stable when you move yourself, not just like this. If it was really small in your hand, it would be more difficult. And if you had to handle at the same time a microphone and a lamp, that would be more complicated. So you get stability, but also you have your accessories all around. Everything is packed, okay? So this is why people use cages. Okay, so I'm going to speak more in details about this one. And here you also have space for a power bank if you want to charge your smartphone while you're recording, okay? And I already presented a cage by Smallrig. I'll leave you the link here. Actually two systems. One was for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, exclusively for it. This one is universal, can use any smartphone. Well, this is the largest by Apple. This is the 13 Pro Max, okay? But could be other brand, it's universal, okay? And I also presented the cage I had for the iPad. Okay, so I leave you the link here. So let's carry on with this one. When you will get your cage, it will be like this, unmounted. You don't even need a manual, you have a picture on the box, that's enough for that, okay? You can use it vertically or horizontally, very easy. You just get your handle. If you place the name properly written, like Smallrig here, you know it's the right size, okay? So you will have to screw this piece to this part, and you need an Allen key, but there is a magnet in here to keep an Allen key in each handle, okay? So you would screw this together, okay? It's easy, okay? Then when you go that, you put like Smallrig horizontal, readable, Smallrig here. Here you got several holes. You pick the one you prefer for the 8. You can be in the center or maybe a bit higher or a bit lower. You decide. It's a matter of taste. Nothing right or wrong. It depends on you. Okay. Then I place this one on the other side, and that's it. If I want to tighten it, I can get the Allen key here, put the hole here. Okay. And just tight like this, and that's it, ready to go. This is placed in the horizontal way, okay? But many people, they don't want horizontal, they want vertical, because they're actually recording for social networks, for stories, and they will be seen vertically. So simply, instead of screwing your this on the longer side, okay, on the shortest side, you do it on the longest side like this, and here you go. You're ready to go with your vertical setup, okay? So here it is. I'm ready to do vertical video right now. In case you wanted to put the power bank, you can actually slip it in here. You press the button here, okay? Here it is, and you adapt to the size. Actually, on the picture they put a power bank here, but I do think like a camera like a GoPro probably fits in there also. So if you want to record both with a smartphone here, maybe vertically with a GoPro, whatever action camera, you could actually fit it in there, okay? The quality is simply amazing. It looks like aluminum alloy. It's really impressive, the quality when you touch that. This is incredible. Space for the smartphone is well protected. I really love it. It's really impressive. Now to place a smartphone, very easy. You just open what I could call the jaws or whatever, okay, here. With the right size, I place the smartphone in there, okay. I tight. and that's it. Here I am, it's there. So easier, it's impossible, okay? And it's really well protected. It's really really impressive. As you can see, it's protected, so you don't scratch your phone on this. Really great, very easy. Let's speak about the microphone. This one, actually this is the dual microphone. You have the standard shotgun microphone, which is here, okay? Oop. I'll remove the fur, the windshield, okay? Here you have the microphone with the windshield here. And what's really interesting is that actually you can plug a lavalier microphone in there. So it means if I'm doing an interview, I can simply plug in here, okay, and place this here, so I've got a more quality sound. Here I can record mono or stereo, okay. So it comes with that, it comes with a small pouch, and also you have the small foam in case you don't want to use the fur if you're indoor, for example. You also get two cables. This is the one that connects to a smartphone, the TRRS, I think it's called. If your phone doesn't have a jack connector like mine, you have a lightning, then you need a lightning adapter, or if your smartphone is USB-C connecting and has no input for microphone, then same thing, needs a small adapter, but it happens with any brand, okay? So I will place here and connect to my iPhone, okay? And I also get here another cable. I don't have it here, I have it there because I use it on my camera. I'm recording with the OM system OM1, which is the cable that goes from the microphone to a camera, okay? So I used it on another microphone because I need this one to show, okay? And here I've got a small spare foam for the lapel mic, the Lavalier mic, and a small bag, okay? So just after I do a small demo of sound with the iPhone, so you can listen, okay? Well, last and not least, this small lamp, LED lamp. This is really handy accessory to place. You can place it on your cage, obviously, but also on any camera. You also have a screw here if you want to put on a lamp stand or a tripod, whatever, okay? And how does it work? You have 96 bins, and color temperature goes from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin. So to switch it on, you simply press it. Here I am, okay? And then to change power, you just turn the wheel, okay? To go less, to go to maximum power. And if you want to change color temperature, just press once, and here you can change the color temperature, okay? So I think this is a great little accessory. The only thing I would say it's a pity that you don't have a clear indicator of the color temperature. So it means that if I want to regulate color temperature, I have to look at it and see I like it, okay? But if I want to adjust with another lamp, I don't have precise information. Probably it would be a lot more expensive, or they have different models who probably have color temperature indication, and this one is a simple one, but still I think it's great, you know. And would be maybe the only negative point. You have several cold through here, so you could actually plug similar other lamp here to have like a wall of lamps, so that's nice. And here you have this small softener diffuser, so you don't see in my reflection of my glasses, for example, you don't see all the small the 96 LED bins you have in there. You see more like a white place, okay? So this is a nice accessory, I think, and I would get it just because in one situation it may save you to have this extra light, okay? So I've set it up towards me as a vlogger, okay? I've got the microphone towards me and the lamp also is switched on, okay? So you have an idea of the sound, okay? I'm not sure, it's really windy, so I'm not sure if sound is good, either this one or that one. But as you can see, obviously, if I record myself, I put lamps towards me and I put the microphone towards me. If I was recording someone else, I would turn the other way around, the lamp towards there, and also the microphone towards there. But as you can see, this is really handy. I can really use it, okay? Now I'm going to walk a bit, recording, not myself, but towards there, so you see the bit of stability you get, okay? Also, maybe you will not see comparison, but it gives you an idea, okay? So as you can see, well, I left the microphone towards me, obviously, so I can speak at the same time, but it gives a lot of stability, okay? It's hard to tell the difference, because if I take out the cage and just the phone, you won't have the same sound anyway. But still, I can tell you, yes. And the thing is not just stability; it's also the fact that I've got all my gear with me, the lamp, the microphone, all this. So this is really brilliant. I really love it. Okay. Now with the lapel microphone, the Lavalier microphone. So I'm working, and obviously this is maybe not what we do with vlogging, but when you do an interview or reportage, yeah, that's great. And because it gives a lot of stability, and as you can see, it helps. I don't know if sound is good because I tested before and sound was okay, but right now it's a bit windy, so I don't know if it affects or not. But well, level looks okay. So really great, this dual microphone. I really like it. Okay, really like it. One thing which is not a problem, but well, with the small Lavalier microphone would have been great to give also small fur like this one. That's not very expensive. I think Smallrig sells them also, but in AliExpress you can get them. So when it's really windy like this, you could place it instead of the small foam. Okay, if you have a jacket, you place a microphone under the jacket, it's no problem. In this case, just my t-shirt. Okay, so I add this, so that helps. Okay, but still, I think this is a minor problem. Okay, it's really a great kit. So my conclusion, well, fantastic. The quality is there, the cage is brilliant. I really love the kit. Obviously you could use another lamp, another microphone. You just check their website. They have many things around kits and for cameras, for smartphones. Have a look at what they do. I'll leave you links in description. Okay, in this case I had the full kit. Okay, but you could adapt as you need and as you want. So I think when you touch the cage, the metal is superb. It's really incredible. I really love it. The touch is brilliant, and obviously it's not just the way it looks, it's when you use it. It's really great. So I can only recommend it. So check the site and see if it's something for you. Okay, or maybe not this product, but similar product they also have a look. Okay, so thank you very much, Smallrig, for sending me this kit. Thank you very much to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a button down here and also a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. I'll also leave you links to my gear on Amazon, links of everything I've reviewed by K&F Concept and Smallrig, and also a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.